Hit the hot pan with olive oil, then let's add red pepper and red onion. Sweat that off for a bit, now add some garlic. After a bit of a stir, we're going to add our spices. We've got chili powder, paprika, cumin. Then we're going to add some of my Brixton Carnival Mexican style table sauce. Let that sweat down. Salt, pepper. Get the black beans in. Once they've sweated for a bit, let's add a bit of water, and then we're going to add a tiny bit of sweet corn. While that's cooking, let's make a sauce. We've got mayo, lime zest, lime juice. Hit that with a bit more Carnival hot sauce to give it some spice, and then give it a real good mix. No bean burrito is complete without some guacamole. Take an avocado, a handful of chopped tomatoes, a little bit of chopped onion, hit it with some lime juice, then a little pinch of salt, and finally some coriander. Give it a good mix, and we are ready to load up. On a wholemeal wrap, add a base of white rice, followed by our bean mix, and then some guacamole. We're going to finish that off with a little sprinkle of our sauce, and then you're going to watch me try and wrap this up. I don't do a very good job of it, so if anyone's got any tips, I would really like it, because I always mess this up big time. But anyway, let's have a look at this now. Absolutely delicious. It may not look the best, it may not fit in the wrap, but it does taste banging.